Nalababa ka Balen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yeah, so for today's vlog, kayo ba yung naghahanap ng sukiyaki, sushi, and ramen na matatagpuan dito sa Pampanga? And this is the newest JIRO na pwede yung puntahan.
Nasabi nga niya, so this is the newest Japanese restaurant open po sa may Telabastagan, San Fernando, Pampanga. We wanna show you more about the food that they served us. And of course, the place, the ambience, what to expect. Guys, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
At ayun nga guys, welcome to JIRO Orchard. So sa video nga na to, naimbitahan kami to witness yung opening. So earlier guys was the blessing, the inauguration, the cutting of ribbon. And now the time na napupunta po kami ngayon, this is the time to really enjoy the food. So good thing, ayan, meron pa tayong mga kasama na nag-enjoy dito. This is JIRO Orchard. Samahan po kami. In-expect mo sa vlog natin for today?
Ako syempre, in-expect ko pa rin yung na-miss ko, which is yung kanilang sukiyaki.
Yes.
Pero syempre, maliban sa sukiyaki, yung mga Japanese food na nandito yung sinaserve nila sa JIRO, yun yung mga na-miss kong tikman. Yung mga sinerve nila sa atin, sa maliban na sa sukiyaki, meron din tayong ramen, meron tayong volcano roll, meron tayong dragon roll. Sa mga sashimi naman, meron tayong salmon, tuna, and uni, which is yung kanilang sea urchin. Sa mga fried naman, meron tayong tori karage, meron din tayong ebi tempura, at the same time, pork tonkatsu. Hindi mawawala dyan yung kanilang JIRO wasabi salad. And for the rice, syempre, meron tayong chakan dito. Yun.
This is our table. And we're excited to really taste another Japanese food. Siyempre, Japanese food always has a special place sa tummy namin. So, the whole team is ready and tikman na natin. Isa sa mga nagustuhan talaga namin ni Mark nung first time namin natikman si JIRO is yung kanilang sukiyaki. And remember, it was served, no? Mas malaki dito, no? So probably this is another serving nila. Good for two? Singular two? Yan. Actually, titikman ko rin siya. Yum.
Sukiyaki time!
Thank you so much JIRO Orchard for being such a generous host for this video.
Ako nagustuhan ko, syempre, maliban na sa sukiyaki, uni sashimi.
Uni sashimi.
Yeah. Ako kasi hindi ako masyadong panilig sa mga raw, pero dito, hindi sila masyadong malagsa.
Yeah.
And talagang ma-enjoy mo.
Actually guys, to attest you, yung mga sashimi nila, they are great in quality. Great in quality.
So, JIRO Sukiyaki Sushi Ramen is located sa the Orchard Community in Telabastagan, and they are open from 12 noon to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Let's support yung mga local businesses Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng mag-travel lang abroad para matikman lang yung pagkain nila doon. So, congratulations, Jiro! If you got interested with the food, you saw in this video, message po yung fan page that is included in this post. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Peace out, guys. Bye!